Welcome back, dear students, and a very good morning to all of you, all the students of class 6. I welcome you all to this yet again a new English class of the week. Now, children, I would like to assure myself that yes, you all have gone through the chapter very well so that we can start with the new class. But before beginning with the class, let us quickly recap what we studied in the previous class. We were started with the new chapter Tansen from the book A Pact with the Sun. And then, children, before beginning towards the new content, I would like to summarize the content again, summarize the story further. Children, we discussed that this is the history of a famous Indian musician named Tansen. He was the only child of singer Mukundan Mishra. They lived in the village Behat near Gwalior. Tansen was a naughty but a wise and talented child. One day in the forest, Swami Haridas with his followers were taking rest, and Tansen started roaring like a tiger. Then, after that incident, children, Tansen started learning music from him. He learnt music for how many years? 11 years, and became a singer afterwards. His father's last wish was to send Tansen to Muhammad Ghaus, where he got married to Hussaini. Soon after Tansen became famous, children. Now here's we are going to start with the content. He became the official singer in the emperor's court, and he started becoming Akbar's favorite. Out of all of the 9 gems I told you, children, here Tansen got that popularity in a very less time, and he became very famous. Now, children, let us start the chapter. I will read the chapter for you, and then you are going to practice it after the class. We discussed in the last class till Tansen's marriage. Now I am going to read after that, children. Alright, I am going to recap the last paragraph for you all. Swami Haridas did not punish him. He went to Tansen's father and said, "Your son is very naughty. He is also very talented. I think I can make him a good singer." Tansen was 10 years old and he went away with Swami Haridas. He went with him for 11 years for learning music and became a great singer. At about this time, his parents died. Mukundan Mishra's last wish was that Tansen should meet Muhammad Ghaus of Gwalior. Muhammad Ghaus was a holy man. Mukundan Mishra had long been devoted to Muhammad Ghaus. And then Tansen was taken to the court of Rani Mringani, who was a great musician herself. There he met and married one of the ladies of his court, whose name was Hussaini. Now, children, I am going to start the next paragraph. Hussaini also became Swami Haridas's disciple. Tansen and Hussaini had 5 children who were all very musical. Now, children, this is something which is biological inheritance that we take from our parents. Since Tansen was a great musician, Hussaini herself was into the royal court of that princess, then Rani Mringnani, and then Hussaini and Tansen started learning music together. And after that, children, they had 5 children who were all good, equally good in music. They were all musical children. Now, Tansen had by this time become very famous. Sometimes he sang before Emperor Akbar, who was so impressed by him that he insisted Tansen should join his court. Now, once King Akbar heard Tansen singing, and after listening to Tansen, children, Akbar got so much fascinated towards his voice that he insisted Tansen to join Akbar's court. Now, here, children, impressed means to cause someone admire deeply. We always say, I'm impressed with your work. Means, I'm really admiring your work. Then insist. Second difficult word. Second difficult word is insist. Write down the meaning. To say something firmly and forcefully. Now, children, Tansen became very famous. He got opportunities to sing before Emperor Akbar, and when Akbar got very impressed by him, he asked Tansen to join his court. Now, children, the next paragraph. Tansen went to Akbar's court in 1556. Soon became a great favorite of Emperor. Akbar would call upon Tansen to sing at any time during the day or night. Quite often, he would just walk into Tansen's house to hear him practice. He also gave him many presents. Some of the courtiers became jealous of Tansen. We shall never be able to rest till Tansen is ruined, they declared. One of the courtiers, Shaukat Mian, had a bright idea. Now, children, when success comes, there comes jealousy in itself. So when we get success, when we attain that height of success, people around us, they start feeling jealous of us, that how a person can be so famous, how a person can get so much of attention. So when Tansen was getting this popularity, Tansen was getting lot of presents, Tansen was getting lot of attention from King Akbar, then fellow courtmen started getting jealous, and one of the courtiers, whose name was Shaukat Mian, came up with the bright idea. Let us make him sing Rag Deepak, he said. How will that help us? Asked another man. If Rag Deepak is properly sung, it makes the air so hot that the singer is burnt into ashes. Tansen is a very good singer. If he sings Rag Deepak, he will die and we will be rid of him. Now, this was the plan, children. I will explain. Now, Shaukat Mian suggested that Tansen should sing Rag Deepak. Another man, after hearing this, asked, what will happen after this? How are we going to get help from this idea? Then, Shaukat Mian answered that if Rag Deepak will be sung properly and correctly, children, the air around him will become so hot that the person who is singing Rag Deepak is going to be burnt into ashes. Tansen was a very good singer, no doubt. If he will sing it properly, he will die, and all the courtiers who were jealous of him will be free from Tansen. After that, children, Shaukat Mian went to Akbar and said, we don't think Tansen is a great singer. Let us test him. Tell him to sing Rag Deepak. Only the greatest singers can sing it properly. So this was the idea which was presented before King Akbar. Since King Akbar was not knowing much knowledge of music, therefore he did not know the details of this idea. Therefore he allowed this thing to happen. Now, children, when he said, it means he suggested that Tansen should sing Rag Deepak, and then another man asked him how it is going to help. Then this Shaukat Mian turned up to Lord Akbar. Then Shaukat Mian went to Akbar and said that all of these courtiers have the opinion that Tansen was not a good singer. If he was, then let us test him by making him sing Rag Deepak. Only the greatest singers could sing. So these are the ways to present your ideas so that the king gets trapped into your words and your wishes come true. What happened, children? Of course he can sing it. Tansen can sing anything. Akbar said. Tansen was afraid but could not disobey the king. Very well, my lord, he said, but give me time to prepare myself. Tansen went home. He had never been more downcast and unhappy. I can sing the rag, he told his wife, but the heat it gives off will not only set the lamps alight, but it will also burn me into ashes. Now, children, this paragraph tells that Akbar replied firmly. Firmly means you are sure of. So Akbar was very sure of that there is no rag in the world that Tansen cannot sing. Therefore, Akbar replied, showing his full trust that Tansen can sing anything, but Tansen was scared and was unable to say no. If any of the king asked a courtiers, then of course the courtiers have to say yes to obey the instructions. So Tansen asked the king to give him some time to prepare. Tansen went home with a very unhappy feeling, and then he told his wife that if he is going to sing that rag, not only the lamps will be lighted up, but Tansen himself will be burnt into ashes, children. What happens next? Then he had an idea. What idea it was? Children, now that's a surprise for you. I will explain it in the next class. But for now, children, it is my humble request to please go through the chapter till this paragraph and then have a look of the chapter further also if you get time. But for the specification, children, you should read the chapter twice till here, till this paragraph, so that you are perfect in your reading skills, so that you are knowing your chapter very well, so that you come across difficult words, so that you know where these difficult words are from and what meanings they hold, and you know the chapter all well, so that your teacher has explained it. So kindly go through the chapter once again. In the last class, children, I am going to finish the chapter, plus I am going to attach the questions and answers which you are going to do in your copies. So for now, children, bye bye, take care and have a good day.